Hey guys, welcome back to a beautiful rainy afternoon. So yesterday I finished up my batch cooking for Sandy and I took everything down to her. I'm really excited to see what she thinks. There were some new dishes in there, some flavor profiles that I haven't given her before. So I'm kind of excited over the next couple of weeks to see what she thinks and what she liked and what she's like, you know, didn't really like that. And yeah, so we'll see. But today, I didn't really go into today with a plan like I normally do because I did all that yesterday and then I was just exhausted. My kitchen is still a bomb site. I have to finish cleaning that up today. And then I also, my big fridge, my normal big in-the-house fridge, iced up a couple of days ago. And so I couldn't sleep, and like at 4 in the morning, I was transferring stuff from there out to the porch fridge and the outside freezer so that I could turn it off completely and let it defrost 100%, which it's been doing, and then I've just turned it back on now. And I guess if nothing else, at least I got a chance to kind of clean it all down and wipe it all out, and you know. So that is coming back to temperature now. And in the meantime, I'm going to make some lunch. And I'm going to try, this is, if you saw one of my videos about ordering some noodles from Yummy, this is a pack that, it's a rice noodle pack, no, sorry, a potato noodle. I had to use, there's no English on here anywhere. Normally they put a sticker on there. So I had to use Google Lens to translate because I couldn't remember what this was. But this is a potato noodle bowl, and I haven't tried this particular one before. I did see there's a little chili pepper over there, so I'm guessing that there is a spicy oil packet in this as well, which if there is, I just won't use that. But I'm going to try this one. I don't know what's even going to be in there. And then to that, I have some baby bok choy, some mushrooms. Then I have some garlic green peas. So these are dehydrated, almost like wasabi peas, but they come in little single serving packs. So I'm going to use a couple of packs of those. I have some bean sprouts and baby corn and some of the seasoned bamboo shoots. So I'm basically going to do this as a bowl for this particular noodle kit, and we'll open this and see what's in there. Okay, after some Google translating, let's see if I get this right. So these are the noodles, which they kind of look, they're almost like an udon noodle. They are slightly soft, so they're not super, they're not completely dry like the rice noodles are. Then it appears this is what they're calling the spicy soup base. And I can see the pepper flakes in there. And then this is a soy sauce and vinegar packet. And then there is some little dehydrated vegetables. So that's not what I was expecting. And I have a feeling that I'm not going to be able to use this. But I'm going to open it and taste a little bit. And if it burns my face off, then I will come up with something else. I need both hands to cut the corner off. So let's see. I don't know. It's pretty red, and I can see the chili pepper flakes in there. It says that it's like a bean paste. So maybe it won't be that bad, but let's see. Ooh, it's salty. Well, I guess it is concentrate. Okay. So it is spicy, but it's not unbearably so. And I think once you dilute it, you know, down in the water for the soup base, that might be kind of nice, actually. I'm going to try it. We'll see what happens. Whew. Okay, so the spice builds. It is quite hot, and so I ended up leaving about half of the broth because tasty, yes. Super lips on fire, yes. All right, since lunch was quite large and I actually ended up splitting that over 2 sittings, I don't feel like a whole lot for dinner, but I think I'm just going to do some little cracker towers. So I have some sardines in lemon sauce, some Triscuit thin crisps, and then a green tomato, some salt, pepper, and garlic blend, some Daisy cottage cheese, and some pepper jack cheese. And I'm just going to do a little nibble plate with those. Hey guys, welcome to the recap. Can you believe it's the 10th of September already? Goodness gracious. Okay, so not a whole lot to tell you about today. The noodle kit for lunch, like I said, it was good, it was tasty, but it definitely had a cumulative chili effect. So I ended up needing to split it over 2 sittings. And even then, I didn't finish the broth because it was just really spicy. So, I liked the potato noodles. Like, that was good. But I don't know that I would buy that particular kit again, just because it didn't come with anything exciting. And, I can just buy potato noodles and make my own sauce. So I don't know that I would buy that particular kit again, but it was still a good lunch. And then by the time I got to dinner, I didn't really want too much, and dinner was okay. Like, it was, I was trying to increase my protein, which is why I had sardines and cottage cheese. I still didn't hit my protein macro for today, but both times I've had the Beach Cliff sardines, I've had the mustard ones some weeks ago, and then I had the lemon sauce ones, and I did definitely prefer the lemon sauce ones, but I have to say, just kind of, I don't think I'll buy that brand again. I guess maybe if I use them in something else other than just eating them on crackers, maybe. But yeah. Okay. So that was that. As much as I did yesterday, I didn't actually do anything except I didn't put it on here, but I walked to the mailbox this morning. But other than that, I didn't do any extra activity today. So my calories are spot on. I basically finished with 1 calorie under today. However, protein is too little and carbs were too high. And that happens if I have a noodle bowl, because they often are between 80 and 100 carbs. And if I hadn't had the Triscuits for dinner, then I could have kept my carbs under, but I had already missed my protein target. My fat target was fine. My steps were under. So it was kind of a hit or miss day today.